From ancient times to the modern world, the wheel has been at the heart of human progress. What began as a humble round stone transformed into a revolutionary invention that changed everything, from transport to technology. But where did it all start? Who were the visionaries behind this simple yet world-changing invention? Let's go back over 5,000 years to Mesopotamia, often regarded as the birthplace of the wheel. Here, early humans began experimenting with moving heavy objects. First, they used logs as rollers, but soon a breakthrough came, shaping wood into circular forms. This simple design laid the groundwork for something far bigger. Interestingly, the earliest wheels were not used for transport but for pottery. The potter's wheel, invented around 3500 BCE, allowed for the creation of more uniform and intricate designs. It was only later that the wheel's potential for movement was fully realized. Once applied to carts and chariots, the wheel became indispensable for travel and trade. It allowed for the transportation of goods over long distances, expanding human reach beyond local communities. The introduction of spoked wheels by the Egyptians around 2000 BCE further improved efficiency. The spoked wheel was lighter and faster, an essential upgrade that led to quicker movement and more efficient transportation. This invention wasn't limited to land, though. The wheel's mechanical principles even found their way into watermills and eventually windmills, harnessing nature's forces for human benefit. While the basic design of the wheel remained unchanged for centuries, many visionaries continued to explore its possibilities. Leonardo da Vinci sketched designs for vehicles with rotating wheels driven by human power, hinting at the future of self-propelled machines. Later, Joseph Fourier's studies of heat transfer paved the way for steam engines, where the wheel played a crucial role in mechanized transport. These advancements formed the foundation for the Industrial Revolution. The wheel wasn't just a tool for transport anymore. It became a key player in industrial machinery. In the 19th century, railroads began to expand across continents, powered by steam engines. The wheel, once used to transport goods on wooden carts, now powered locomotives carrying materials and people over vast distances. The automobile industry, led by visionaries like Henry Ford, took the wheel to another level. Ford's assembly line revolutionized manufacturing, making cars affordable to the masses. This further transformed cities and economies, connecting towns and fueling urbanization. The wheel became the symbol of modern mobility. Fast forward to today, and the wheel is still central to our lives. From cars and bicycles to airplanes and robots, its applications are endless. Even in the age of artificial intelligence and quantum computing, the wheel remains one of the most efficient, reliable technologies ever created. With the rise of electric vehicles and drones, the wheel is evolving yet again, adapting to new forms of propulsion. Autonomous vehicles, for example, rely on complex algorithms, but at their core, they still rely on the same fundamental design that dates back millennia. The wheel is not just an invention, it's a cornerstone of human civilization. Its impact goes beyond transport. Wheels' power factories generate electricity and have been critical to space exploration. The Mars rovers, for example, rely on wheel technology to traverse alien landscapes. As we look to the future, whether exploring new planets or creating smarter cities, the wheel will continue to evolve and play a crucial role. What began as a simple tool for moving objects has become a symbol of innovation, constantly adapting to meet the needs of an ever-changing world. The story of the wheel is the story of human ingenuity. From ancient Mesopotamia to the modern world, this simple invention has revolutionized transport, industry, and technology. It has shaped how we live, work, and explore. And while we may be on the brink of new technological revolutions, the wheel will continue to spin, propelling us forward into the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fascinating stories from the world of invention and technology.